Alright guys, got an unboxing for you guys today, and that is the Blue Driver Pro Scan tool. It works with the iPhone, it works with the Android, so we're about to see how good this thing works, and go see what kind of codes get thrown at me on the 370. Alright, so let's open this up real quick, find out what's inside. And it comes with, I think it's a magnet. I don't need that. Guys, the instructions, and here's the scanner tool. Alright, let's go plug this bad boy in and see what kind of codes we get. Alright, so let's get installing these code reader. See what kind of codes we get. Alright, so let's turn this on. Check engine, this light is on.
Have to go, I think, down a couple levels.
Alright, so they're not popping up again, and let's go for a ride and see what happens. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna get on in a little bit and watch what it does.
Is he gonna light the dash up? Okay.
Does that. I just stop on it.
That wasn't you.
Yeah, no, it wasn't.
Okay. We're gonna look into that. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, it's not pulling at all.
What the hell is it?
Take a look. If I had to guess, I would say bad sensor. Mass airflow, O2. Probably running dead nuts rich. You can smell it. Or it's been running rich for a long time and your catalytic converter is clogged. Could be.
I already passed like 3 times later, so they're probably wondering what that was.
Oh man. She's a pooch. I thought what these things do factory. This is like third of that, if that. Oh, mother, Jesus. Alrighty then.
So what do you think it is?
I think it's your gas. You're getting on it, and then it cuts power. It's probably knocking, so it's pulling timing.
So we determined that the easiest, maybe, hopefully. Oh. Alright, so hopefully putting in new gas and a fuel injector cleaner and an octane booster will hopefully fix that issue that's happening right now. If not, we'll try something else. For now, that's like the easiest thing we can think of right now that could possibly be doing that. So yeah, hopefully we get this thing running pretty soon. Well, I mean, it's running, but we need it running perfectly. Because I am trying to get to one of these autocross events at least once this year. Was planning on doing it some more, but yeah, just got held back. So yeah.